Hi guys, welcome back again on my channel. You guys ignore these white things on my clothes. I don't even know if they are showing. It's water. So yeah, welcome back again on my channel. If it's your first time here or first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Olubukola and I film about skincare, YouTube tips and stuff like that, everything in between, you guys. And yeah, so today I'm going to be reviewing to you guys the Glutathione Comprime Lotion. I've gotten a lot of requests about this lotion and I have been getting this request since last year, if I really have to be honest with you guys, because of the fact that the fake is a lot, or is it the clone product. I always tell you guys that there are people who clone products, like they will do exactly like the way the original brand did theirs, and they will just like change something. Some people, you might not even know that they have changed it. And I'm saying this because the original one itself is not really common in Nigeria, because I remember back home I have customers that I sort orders for, and I have had like 2 or 3 of them requested for the original one, and I'm unable to get it everywhere that I know. So I just want to do the review just for you guys that can get it wherever you are, and for those of you that want me to review that are using the second clone one as well. So the Glutathione Comprime that I'm reviewing today is this one on the screen, and the most common one that you will always find in the market is this one on the screen. So I know this other one is very popular, but I am not giving you a go ahead because there's not even a brand or a company name attached to it. This other one has a company name attached to it, and I think this is the original one, because people that I buy from and my distributor then back home will always tell me this is the original one, that this one has a lot of complaint of it making people go dark. Do you guys understand? Yeah. Nice. Okay, so this particular one is the one I'm going to be reviewing to you guys while still talking about the common one that is in Nigeria, because a lot of you guys have sent me the other one, the common one that you always find in almost every supermarket and stores in Nigeria. So this original one is the one that is the original, or how am I supposed to put it? And if you check it very well, this particular one lightens and on the long run whitens your skin. One bottle of it is not going to whiten your skin. So for those of you that want a cream that's going to whiten your skin, if you're in an area where you can get this, probably you can settle for it. If you're interested in letting your skin go lighter, whiter, whatever thing, I'll just tell you guys gradual way it works. I'll tell you guys how to use it to get the perfect result, because sometimes as well, if you misuse it as well, you will not like the result. So this other one that is the fake one, I have constantly gotten a lot of requests about it getting people dark up till last week, and that was when up till last week, yeah. So someone messaged me from YouTube, I think about 3 weeks ago, that I should please make a review about this particular one. But because I have known it for quite a while, and I've always seen people constantly complain about it getting them dark, I did not even bother to like do a review about it. The other one is like a whitening cream, but I don't think one bottle is enough to whiten your skin. And if you know that you are not interested in getting your skin lighter or whiter, there is no point in you going near this original one at all. The other fake one that I'm talking about, I would just advise you to stop buying it. I'm sorry, but the complaints I've gotten about it is just so bad, even down to the face cream as well. Constantly make my face go dark. It's giving me spots, stuff like that. It's leaving all these black spot on my body or my face, and those are the reviews I've gotten about it. I didn't pay much attention to it since I noticed it wasn't a good cream. If I had known, I would have reviewed it, even despite the fact that it was that bad. So this other one, if you want to use it, first bottle might not do the job for you, for those of you that are on my neck, because you guys are even going to an extra length of sending me creams that you people want me to review. So this particular one contains ascorbic acid, which is also referred to as vitamin C. Vitamin C is known to help you with hyperpigmentation, to firm your skin and stuff like that. My phone literally went off. Okay, so take a dose of vitamin C a day as well, even despite the fact that it already contains vitamin C already, but you still need vitamin C. It just help you, especially when you're using stuff that's going to like enhance your skin brightness or skin color or whatever. So it is always advisable for you to take something that is going to help you firm your skin, and as well from the inside as well, because that works faster. It as well contains hyaluronic acid. You guys know hyaluronic acid as well is very good. It makes your skin it is an antioxidant that makes your skin look firm and plump as well. It's like going to help you repair your skin, soothe your skin, and help your skin against any free radicals. So I hope I have constantly talked about all of these things. I don't want to dwell too much on all of these things. These are things you can do yourself. These are research that you can do yourself to know how the key ingredients in the cream you use, like what do they stand for, what are they actually working for. Is it just for you to go to the market and just tell them, give me white secrets, and you get home and start using it? Do you even browse about what you're feeding your skin? You know, whatever thing you are feeding your skin can actually lead to maybe liver cancer or whatever thing as well. So make sure you feed yourself on information about things that are in the cream that you are using. So this one as well contains alpha arbutin, and you guys know that alpha arbutin is a natural skin brightening ingredient, and this is also very, very good. I've talked about it as well. I think early this year, I talked about alpha arbutin as well. So it contains alpha arbutin, so it has proven itself on the ingredient list that it is very, very good, and it contains natural stuff that lightens the skin. And because of the fact that the cream as well is a glutathione comprime cream, it definitely contains glutathione tablets. There's a lot of people that go for the shots of glutathione tablets, and I think the price range is around 40k or 50k. I can't really remember, but some people go for shots of glutathione, and some people take the supplement as well. So it works that way as well. So these are the things that the cream contains, and with all these things that this cream contains, it has a strong ability to lighten your skin based on all of these ingredients that have been listed out. So it is going to definitely light your skin, and on the long run whiten your skin as well. So if you know that your motive is just to make your skin go like 2-3 shades, maybe 2 to 3 bottles for you is okay, and start learning how to maintain it, or start learning how to switch it up with other things, maybe then switch it to using it twice a day. So for those of you who want to use it, I will strongly advise you, if you want to use Glutathione Comprime Lotion, then definitely go for this particular one. This other one has too much of bad reviews and bad complaints, and I'm just being honest with you guys. And if you have ever used it before, probably it worked for you. I never can say. Let us know in the comment section. A lot of people are going to be checking the comments to as well know further review about all of this product. So am I giving you a go ahead to go and try this product? You can definitely try it, but I'm not giving you a go ahead to go and try the entire set. Maybe because I'm a scared rat. Whenever anything I know that is going to like lighten, I'm always scared about it, because there are people who have sensitive skin, and because I know the type of skin that I have, it makes me so scared of it. Do you guys understand? So if you know you want to use it, I'm not going to advise you to use the entire set, like the lotion, the serum, the face cream, the soap. Nah. For your body, if you want to choose the soap and the lotion, it's okay for a gradual process. And that's another thing. I'm advising you people to go for a gradual process. I know people want fast results and they are going to add the serum to it, but I'm still going to advise you, at least for the first bottle, let your skin receive it bit by bit. Go for it in a gradual process. Don't rush your skin, because if you rush in, you rush out of it, because it might give you an effect that you don't want, and you have to stop it as well. So I'm not going to advise you to use all of those sets together. So just know how to switch it. If you want to go with the soap and the lotion, is okay. With the cream and the serum, but even the small serum is okay. But even to my own personal recommendation, I will advise you not to even add the serum to your first usage at all. You can use it with the soap and that's fine. With the face cream, that's fine, but make sure you get a sunscreen whenever you are using them as well. So for those of you that are using the other one, drop your review in the comment section as well. Let me know how it works for you. And for those of you that will ask me the price range in Nigeria, I think the price range is around 9,000 to 10,500 naira, depending on where you are buying it from. But for those people who are outside Nigeria, trust me, it's not going to be the same price, because I know I source for people outside Nigeria, and I know the shipping fee, I know the weight, I know the price they pay to ship products. So it might probably be a long big margin in price, and that is what you should expect. But in Nigeria, just maybe 9,000 to 10,500. I don't know currently. I'm just giving you guys a range to prepare your mind when you're going to the market. So yeah, that's all I have to say about this lotion and how I'm going to tell you to use it, because sometimes products are good, sometimes the usage are bad. So know what you're doing, know what you're feeding on your skin, and know how to correct things. If you're asking me what you can use to switch in between using them, you can get a plain moisturizer like CeraVe that contains ceramide, hyaluronic acid as well, that repair your skin barrier, because it's going to really help you. But if you don't want to do that, you can as well opt in for a glowing oil as well. So these things are things you can use that is going to help you. So if you use it before, please let me know in the comment comment section. A lot of people want more review about it, and yeah, I would really appreciate, because I will learn from your review as well. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor, click on subscribe button and make sure you turn your bell notification on as well, so that whenever I drop new videos, you are always going to get notified. And before I go, I just want to say it, because I don't know if I have said it in the former clip before. I don't know where this video stopped before. This particular cream has proven itself on the ingredients that it does not contain any hydroquinone or steroid, because somebody might want to ask me. It is written on the bottle that there is no hydroquinone or steroids in it. You can't find that on the ingredient written on the bottle, and you guys already know there's no way I'll find out when I see the lotion if it's not written on the ingredients bottle as well. So that is all I want to share you guys today. Thank you so much for catching up with me today. I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.